Joy Cooking Show. Today we have plantain. We're going to be making bole, plantain bole. So these are all right plantain. So I'm going to be making it like Nigeria bole. So watch out and see how I am going to start making this plantain. First we have to do is just to peel it. By peeling it, you just remove the top side and that's it. Very easy. So this is the plantain. Taking it out from same way with the rest. But you must always use mostly ripe plantain. Is better to do this bole. So if today is your first time on my channel, you are very welcome, and please, if you like what I do here, subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. And all my subscribers, thank you all. So this is it. I'm just gonna peel everything same way like this. Next, you just, if you like, you can just put this, use your knife to give it some little bit so that when you are rubbing it, all the salt will be able to enter very well and it will cook down to inside. So that's why sometimes you just use knife. It doesn't really matter, you have to do it, but sometimes you can. If you really want the ingredients you want to put to go in very well. So this is it. The same way now I'm just going to add salt, a little bit of salt to that. Not too much. And I will be adding black pepper, a little bit of black pepper to it. So now I'm just going to rub everything together. It's very easy to rub. So now just arrange them and put them to the oven for 15 minutes, 15 minutes for both sides, 15 minutes like this. Then I will go back again and check it for another 15 minutes for 400 degrees for first 15 minutes. Then I will turn it again for another 15 minutes. That's 30 minutes. This plantain will be hot and very crunchy on the outside, and inside is very moist and chewable. So thank you all, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. These are the bole. The plantain, roasted plantain, is called bole. So these are it. It's very well roasted now, so I have to serve it. This is after 30 minutes in 400 degrees. So this is the bole, and these are the nuts. You can eat it with any nut of your choice. These are braised nuts here, These are all the bole. You can just, oh my god, this is so good. And you start to eat it with this your nut. You can use it to eat any nut of your type, any type of nut that you like. But me, I choose this particular nut because it's very good. And eating this bole, this ripe one. Thank you all, and please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. Thanks for now, and bye.